minor damage to the tetyys. What, Dave?
Do you think he realizes we're basically harmless?
Badniks, that must mean Robotonic.
That's right, fool!
What are you up to use here?
I want all the Emerdoodles!
You mean peace? Where are you going?
I've got big plans, and now I'm gonna put them to work!
Looks like I got another island to save.
And I'm gonna help you.
No way, kid. Robotonic's machines are real dangerous. You could get hurt, or worse.
But I can fly.
All right, you can tag along. So what's your name, bud?
Mills. But my friends call me Tourist.
New song. Now, come on, Tools. We don't got time to waste.
Sonk.
Well, we're broke. Oh, so it's hot out here.
Well, if it isn't Sonk and Tools. You two are just in time to witness the unveiling of my greatest creation.
Sonk, I'm scared.
No worries, Tools. It's probably just another Eggmobile. Oh! What the heck?
Behold my floating masterpiece!
What are we going to do, Sonk?
I'll tell you what. We're gonna fly up there on the tornado and blow it up. Let's go.
Cannon ready!
Tools.
Now, I'm really mad.
Come on out, Robotonic. You pay for what you did to Tools and my plane.
Self-destruct sequence activated. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I can't believe this!
No matter.
Is that a Babnik version of me?
Oh yes! Attack Sonk now! No! I'll go and deal with this myself. I bet you weren't expecting this. Get a load of this. I win. Now you know why I am the best. Aha! The Emerdoodles! Not again! Ready? Fire!
He's okay. Oh, what that?
Looking for someone.
Sonk, you're okay. What happened to Robotonic?
He's gone. We did it too. We saved West Side Land. Come on, let's go home.